my channel Factor India. Today we will today our topic is about APJ Abdul Kalam. So let's start. Today our topic is about our missile man of India, one and only Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. Born 15th October 1931, Rameshwaram. Died 27 July 2015, Shillong. Full name Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Education Madras Institute of Technology, Anna University, 1955 till 1960. St. Joseph College, 1954, University of Madras. What can we learn from APJ Abdul Kalam's life? 5 lessons to learn from the missile man APJ Abdul Kalam. Be prepared no matter how much effort and time you have put in to achieve a goal. Life does not always follow the plan we have set for ourselves. Taking failures in your stride. Think and act different. Have a vision. Be humble even if you are the head of the nation. Why APJ Abdul Kalam is an inspiration. Kalam had a dream which needs to come true by our efforts. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam inspired me in a lot of ways, but one thing in which inspired me most was his reaction and adaptation to failure. He never stopped working and dreaming just because of failure. Instead, he worked harder. What is APJ Abdul Kalam famous for? An inspiration to many, known as the Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam contributed not only to science but also served as the 11th President of India and was widely regarded as the People's President. Why APJ Abdul Kalam? Why Abdul Kalam is a hero? Abdul Kalam was a man of simplicity, and his dedication to his profession, patriotism, and his love for children is always an inspiration to every individual. He made every Indian proud. Abdul Kalam is called the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. What did Abdul Kalam say? APJ Abdul Kalam famous quotes. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Second, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great personality. He launched the first missile in India, that is the Prithvi. He also became the President of India. He also got Bharat Ratna Award. He will remain always alive in the heart of every Indian. Today this much only. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon.